Morning meeting we held every Monday for whole factory. Efficient and valuable morning meetings can continuously improve the management level of the factory and provide customers with innovative and high-quality composite products. Here are the steps of Jcsportline morning meeting. First, shout out our vision. Jcsportline aims to become the core supplier of the world's leading automotive enterprises in composite industry. Second, new system and regulations. Third, the requirements and the standards of customers. Targeted one-week optimization work. Fourth, the event of praising advanced departments for their contributions to the company and being prized among customers. Fifth, each department manager submit the plan and action list of this week. The whole morning meeting will guide the employees to focus on work and the direction of the work. And then each department will report and summarize the work of the department every 15 minutes in their own department morning meeting.